Good evening, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network, November 21st, 2023. Another daily analysis. Apologies for being late tonight. I was pretty busy, and to be honest, I've been busy. It's been 2 weeks now, and I hopefully everything goes well with you and myself. So let's go to S&P 500 daily chart. Here is daily chart. Let me zoom in here. We had downtick today, so our market again is getting to important level. This is a gap, and market just get up all the way to this gap window and reversing back down. Today we had some kind of like a negative news for the interest rate because Federal Reserve they just mentioned that in their report in their meeting minutes that markets probably is going to be the same. We are going to keep the interest rate as is for a long time. Even if inflation stays here, we're going to increase the rate another time. So that's kind of like negative news, and market just to change the sentiment, especially early session. It goes all the way down to middle of this white range bar, getting to this top of the candle and then retracing back up. Right now, after hours, it's just pretty flat. Today, volume was pretty light, very, very light, I should say. 49 million for SPY, which is a S&P 500 ETF. So that means the sell-off today, or kind of like a downtick today, is not important. I don't know about the future. I don't know about tomorrow or day after tomorrow, but today, downtick is not that important that you give it weight. So let's wait for tomorrow and see how market is going to react. If we have like an uptick and then coming down to this area, that would be kind of like the first hiccup. I should say we're going to have a retracement and then a next phase to here for a great buying opportunity. So let's wait and see how market is going to react. Again, shorting the market is very, very difficult. I just initiated a short position today, very, very small size for Nasdaq, and we will get back to Nasdaq as well. But momentum wise, we are kind of like a down for MACD, so that's why we are kind of like seeing a divergence in a smaller time frame. If we go to 4 hour chart, you will see there is absolute divergence here in MACD. So look at that. Here's the top, here's the high, and momentum is just going down here. So if you just see this 4 hour chart, it tells you that momentum is getting down. Very, very aggressive divergence, I should say, very wild one. So market, if it goes below this 4,496, any candle 4 hours pullback, that could triggers another like 40 to 80 points to the downside. I should say market can go all the way down to 4,400. And that would be kind of like the important psychological level and also important level as well. So we will see how it goes with the market. In overall, market has nice momentum to the upside. It's been a bullish month, November, and also December will be bullish as well. But pullback could be kind of like a great buying opportunity if you ask me. So we are just getting sharp rally too far too fast to hit November timeframe. So always the first week of November, we can see a pullback, even early December, and getting ready for if we get an oversold condition in a daily or even short-term time frame, like a 4 hour chart, then we should say market is getting back to a reversal, and that's going to be a good buying opportunity for a Santa Claus rally or year-end rally. Moving on to Nasdaq, which was more negative compared to S&P 500, and I believe tomorrow will be more negative as well. So the reason that I'm saying that, Nvidia just came up with earning. We will get to that one in a bit, but this red candle could be kind of like the beginning of the corrective move, and lots of people are saying we're going to see a sharp sell-off, a potential sharp sell-off to here, which would be a fantastic buying opportunity, somewhere around 15,000 to 15,200, I should say. That's going to be a good buying opportunity for Nasdaq. Moving on to US 30, which is Dow Jones. Dow had a negative day as well. Dow is getting to, as I said yesterday video, Dow is getting to important supply area. So this is going to be stop hunting level, but here's the supply area. The Dow just triggered and then reversing back down today. So if we get confirmation tomorrow, I should say any close below this candle, we can get a pullback and then coming down sharply all the way to here, which is going to be somewhere around 35,000, sorry, 34,500 area. So that's going to be the level that I'm looking for Dow Jones. But all in all, I should say all indexes, they had a nice rally, too far, too fast, and the correction is going to be healthy for the market. Moving on to gold, we had an uptick today, pretty sharp move to the upside. Nice momentum for gold. We are just getting back to this top, to the October top, and I should say there is going to be a correction down the road, and if there is a corrective move to here, we could get a bounce and then a rally is coming afterwards. If we get above this pivotal point, somewhere around 2005, which I believe we are going to get that one soon, we can get all the way back up to rally to double top or new all-time highs coming down the road. So I should say 2100 is going to be a foreseeable scenario for year end. Look at the my gold analysis. I released it in weekend, and you'll see that the analysis for gold miners, and also for silver as well, which I believe that's going to be a great opportunity. Moving on to crude. Crude had a nice move today, so getting up, and right now crude is just consolidating for now. If we get another consolidation like a 2-3 days, then we can see a rally all the way up to 82, and then that would be it. I should say crude can finish the rally here somewhere around 82 and then coming back down. I'm kind of like a bearish for short-term scenario, not a bullish at all um for next 2-3 months. I believe this top, which is September top, is going to be a decisive top for crude, and crude can get to kind of like this overall pattern is very bearish, because when we get to here, this is a great rally coming down, and then we can get, if we get below this, that would be kind of like $40 crude in the future, and that would be kind of like coming along with the US dollar as well. The yield is coming down as well. So just buckle up. That's not gonna be tomorrow or a month now, but I should say possible scenario is going to be a 6 months or a year. We can get a $40 or $50 crude down the road. Moving on to individual names, starting with yield. So yield had a downtick today, and still it is consolidating here. Pretty nice consolidation, I should say. If it triggers below this 4.80, then we can see a sell-off is coming 4.52, and that would be kind of like a good buying signal for treasuries. Treasuries, the uptick today, nicely getting above a $90, and I should say 91 to 93, 94 is coming down the road. This is a good pattern. I should say this can be a V-shaped recovery to the upside. 92 to 94, that could be kind of like a decisive area for treasury. Moving on to VIX, coming down again. So market was down, VIX was down as well, but I believe this dragonfly doji could be kind of like interesting. We are at the end of this ending diagonal here for VIX, and when we see a dragonfly doji, if it confirms with a green bar here, that could be kind of like the top of the stock market for the short term, and it's going to be a bottom for VIX for short term as well. We can get back to $18 to $19 down the road for first week, I should say last week of November, first week of December. Moving on to Dixie. Dixie shows a reversal in a very, very important level. So that's why I'm saying potential scenario is going to be a Dixie is getting back up again, but I'm not sure if we get above this, even above this 105. So 105, I should say that's going to be it for the top, and then we can get back down to here 102, and we will see how it goes. Moving on to magma indicator, it just came down, bearish harami at the top. So they had a fantastic move. Correction is going to be healthy for technology as well. Apple is down today, 81 cents. Nothing bad, nothing good. It's just too far, too fast, as I said, without any pullback. Pullback could be great buying opportunity. Amazon, too far, too fast as well. So we are getting to here, still looking for this area for a great buying opportunity. Wait for a good setup. So we will see a Meta. This one is the same, like a $2.99 down today. So pull back to 310 could be a possible scenario. Microsoft $4.37 down. Bearish harami at the top. So Microsoft did new all-time high yesterday. Today we didn't have follow through. Pull back again to 360, 350 could be great buying opportunity. Google, 72 cents up today. It's kind of like a diverging with the other sectors, and also stocks in technology still can go to 138, 140, and that would be it. I should say it can go down again to 128 for another buying opportunity. Netflix up today, 48 cents. Tesla, fantastic move to the upside, $5.60. Tesla can surge to 250. Congratulations to all SFN subscribers. We just closed our bull put spread. When Tesla was here, we just sold out a put, and we just gained our profit today and nicely booked and waiting for another buying opportunity. Semiconductors, SMH coming down after new all-time high yesterday, came down at $2.43 down. SOX $9.78 down. Even after hours, it goes lower. TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor, $1.55 down. So this one is rolling over, and I believe this one is coming down to 94 minimum. AMD coming down after hours, it goes lower. Nvidia announced earning 9 billion for last quarter, fantastic earning, but market just kind of like a priced up that one. Still, this stock is expensive, and Nvidia, profitable company, but it is expensive at $500. So market just hiccup today, and after hours it goes lower. And I believe if it goes gap down tomorrow and it continues sell off, I should say, this one can go all the way down here again, and that would be kind of like interesting to see if it's gonna hold this area or final breakthrough to the downside, which I don't think it's gonna happen. I think this 440 could be kind of like a reversal point for NVIDIA. So we will see how it goes with the market momentum. Texas Instrument, $2.11 down. Not a bad price action. This one is following the entire industry. And when industry goes down, Texas goes down as well. Lam Research going down as well. So $7.07. 707. What a fantastic number, 707.37, close today. And it can just go down to 600. I should say this top 660 could be a good reversal point. Moving on to XLF, which is financials. Spider, they had a pause day, nothing spectacular, 2 cents down. KBE, large cap bank ETF reversal. So this is important because this is kind of like a leading. We can go to this gap window and gap fill somewhere around 37, 38, and then we will see how it goes. KRE, $1 down. JP Morgan, 32 cents down. Goldman Sachs, $4.48 down. And Bank of America, 35 cents down. Wells Fargo, 19 cents down. And all in all, I should say banking sector are good for now. They need to have a pullback. Moving on to gold miners, which had a breakout, but couldn't have like a strong momentum to the upside. Still needs to close above $30, $30.12. That would be great, great signal for these names. GDXJ, 86 cents off. This one is better. This one is getting close above this and then coming back down. AEM 94.6 94 cents up today. So good momentum. And if we see a breakout, I should say that breakout could be spiky going to the upside. Newmont, 86 cents up. Franco-Nevada, 95 cents down. This one is lagging. I don't know what's wrong with this name, but this one is lagging absolutely. A laggard in this industry, in this group. Gold Barrick, 40 cents up, a good price action, gapped up and getting above this trend line. So if it goes above $17, I should say Gold Barrick is going to be in 18 and 19 and $20 down the road. Moving on to energy just coming down today, despite of crude. Energy just getting down. XLE Spider Energy down today. XOP $1.25 down. OIH $1.98 down. Exxon 4 cents down. Chevron 34 cents down. So all in all, energy is due for a spike. You see that when crude is coming back up, these names are lagging. So this means there is something wrong with energy, and even crude cannot have a good rally down the road. Any rally could be sell opportunity for sellers. Okay, I believe I covered everything. If you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.